Hi guys, welcome to this short video about what you can do when you get this annoying message here on Windows 10 which says your device will restore to update outside of active hours. Then you can leave it on and plugged in, and then open settings or adjust and so on, or you can restart it now or click OK or whatsoever. The problem is when you just when you do nothing, when you just leave this message, and I mean you're maybe doing something which is really critical and you have to do something, you are under pressure and you think, okay, I'm taking care in about 5 or 10 minutes of this thing, and I will then read into that and decide what to do. In a couple of minutes it will be disappeared, I can tell you. So usually it will come back, but I cannot tell when it's coming back. So what to do when it's disappeared, when it has disappeared. So that happened to me, and this is what you can do. Go to the left side of the screen, and you can click here or press the Windows key and start typing update, and then you go down and click on Windows Update Settings. This is about here, and then you can decide what to do. You have much more options. You have pause updates for 7 days, change active hours. Active hours means that's the time when they don't do the update. So you say 9 to 9 or whatsoever, and then they won't do the update during this time. And then you can see also update history and want options and so on. If you think, okay, it's fine, you have closed now everything and you're ready to restart and do the updates, you can click on here. The thing is, when you do just restart your machine, most users know that actually a restart is required. Then if you do just the restart and don't hit this button, I think it won't do the update. This happened to me last time. I don't know if it's every time the same thing, but it really happened to me the last time. I just restarted, I thought, yeah, I'm done, and a couple of hours later it came back with this annoying message. So I think it's really needed to go into here, hit the window key and write update and restart this now from here. It of course can take some time based on what's needed to do for the update, but it's really important that you hit this button based on my experience. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions or whatsoever, leave anything in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.